Those of you that have been following me on Facebook quite a while know that a couple years ago, my wife and I bought a big motorhome, and it's been a learning experience all this time. And one of the things that I have to do when we get to a campground, other than hooking up the water and the sewage and electric and everything, is I've got to clean this windshield, and it is huge, and it must collect every single bug there is in the country, and it ended up being a daily ritual. Now I can get the long-handled squeegees that, I can wash it and clean it, but you get around the radiuses and that, and it still leaves little streaks, and it's hard to get it all off. So you really need to get up there and wipe it off. And a lot of people carry step ladders on the back of their coaches and stuff, and I just didn't want to have to deal with that. But looking around on the internet, I found something really slick, and I'm going to show you what it is right now. And what I've got is something nice and compact. Previous owner had one of these, and I finally figured out how he had it stored in here and what this was for. And this is a step ladder. Come on, I'll show you how it gets set up. There it is. It's a GD Logistics brand. I'm on a little strap like that, and then down at the bottom there's some little latches. I latch it in, put it like so, and there we go. And now I can get right up here and wipe down and clean this whole windshield. This thing is super slick. Great if you got condominium, travel trailer, any place, a little apartment that, short on space, folds up and bought a 4x6 inch little package. All I do is unsnap the latches. We're back together, and that's it. I found it on Amazon. Camping World carries it. They're a little bit more expensive, but I found it on Amazon for like $140. I don't think I paid that much for it when I got it. And it weighs about 25 pounds. It's a 7-foot step ladder. So I hope you all, somebody found it useful, and maybe you want to get one of those.